So I'm in my garage and I'm going to finish up this wall panel that I call it. So you just need a few simple tools and a material. So I have here a nice little pattern fabric. It's nice color. It's like a children's fabric, but it could be a little scary because it's got alligators on it. So you have to know if you're going to make this for your child, you have to know what they're scared of. Anyway, I have the material. I needed some material and a piece of board. I bought this board from Home Depot. I forget what kind of board it is. It's just very flat and very lightweight. They will cut it for you to your dimensions. And quilt batting. Some quilt batting I got from Walmart, okay? That's all you need. And scissors and hot glue. It's very simple. My quilt batting is placed on top of the board, and I just use my hot glue gun and just glue around it and adhere it to the board. You don't have to do the center, okay? Just around the edges. And then I snip away what excess I have. So you don't have to do it. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be covering it up with fabric. And the next thing I'll do is I'm simply going to get the fabric and I'm going to just place it down here. I've already pre-cut the fabric so that I'm just, for time's sake. And so I'm going to place it down like this. And then I'm going to put my board with the quilt down on top. So it's wrong side, and the quilted padding is going to be on the wrong side. And I've already measured what I want. So it's all done, right? So I'm going to put it where I want to put it. And I like to leave a little bit of space. Where's my measure? I have to use this measuring tape. I've got here about almost 2.5 inches of fabric on either side, because you're going to be folding. What we're going to do now is I'm just going to take the edge and I'm going to bring the edge right up to the edge of the board and fold it once, and then I'm going to fold it right back over again, just like that. Now I start from the center, okay, just the way I do it. Anybody can do any way you want to, where you want to start. I find that starting from the center helps. I just do a little pieces at a time. I hope you can see this, what I'm doing, because I don't have the camera on. So I've just folded it over, and then I'm just going to press down. And you still want to be neat. No one's going to see it from the back, but you still want to be very neat. Okay, so that's what I've done. Okay, and I just continue on, just like this. Try to make it even. The fold should be even. Just like this, all the way down. You'd be surprised at how well the fabric adheres with the use of the glue gun, how well it sticks to the board. Okay, I've done quite a few of these and given them away as gifts and stuff, and it really does stay. Okay, and I'm just going to do the edge closer to the middle now. Paste it down like that. And it doesn't, if you make an error if you've never used a hot glue gun before, you will notice that it's really good, because if something gets on here, you can take it up later. You can just pick it up. It's really neat. It sticks on your fingers and stuff. Just be careful because it gets very, very hot. So I'm just going to continue, and when I get down, I'm going to do both sides. Okay, okay, so now we're right at the end. So we're just going to take, we're going to wrap it just like we would a present by taking both ends, folding it over towards the center, and carrying it up. Okay, and then we're going to fold it under so we get an even edge. And then we're just going to get our glue gun. I'm going to do the center first so that we could get an anchor. And then I'm just going to hot glue the edge over here. Just slipped away. Just like that. You can see. Okay, and then tuck this over. Like this. And just put the glue on. Here. And a little bit more. You want it to really stick well. And then we can finish off the edge. When you're doing this, make sure that you, especially the sides, that you push down on the fabric and push it towards the center, because if you don't, it's really difficult to, it'll be all loose and it won't fold properly. I've learned that. So just finish off here. And if you, like I said, if you have any glue that's left over, you can still fix it up. You can just remove it. Okay, because I have a piece right here and right here. So you can just remove it like that. Okay, that's one thing about the hot glue. Now I'll just do the same down here for this side. Fold over and up. And because we're very uneven here, we're just going to fold it so that it is even along the edge with each other, all the way along. I'm just going to anchor the middle, just pull tight, okay? And just put some glue down the center so we can anchor it. Use your imagination to embellish. I just simply added a pocket and I used this used glitter paper wrap. Glitter came inside of it and I just used it to help to make the pocket.